Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have just come back from my son's school. I went to drop him off. It's very hot today. I am sweating a lot. From yesterday, his school's timing has changed. Earlier it was 9 to 12 p.m. Now it is 8 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. So when I woke him up, he was crying, his eyes were not opening, and he was very cranky. So somehow I got him up and gave him bath, got him ready, and sent him to school. And now, as soon as I came back, I have started taking this video, and I gave him and I made him to sit on this beanbag. Went to take oil to apply on him, and when I came back, he slept. Somehow I woke him up, I got him ready. He didn't take his breakfast. I packed his lunchbox, his tiffin, and now he is in his school. So I have just described what I have done in the morning, not in detail. So if you are a homemaker and mother like me, and you want to improve your spoken English, and you are confused from where you should start, so you can just discuss what you are doing daily. You can narrate your routine, like right now I am doing. So let me show you what I have cooked in breakfast. Not exactly in breakfast, because I will cook this jackfruit. My son, he does not like, so I have made aloo ki bhujia and chapati for him. Now I am going to cook this jackfruit. For that, I will wash it and I will soak it in water for some time, along with lemon, because adding in lemon water, the stickiness on the outer layer of this jackfruit will remove doing that. Yesterday, my husband went to weekly market. Every Wednesday in Noida, there is a weekly market. So from there he bought all these vegetables. So I haven't put these vegetables away in fridge, and chores are there. I have to clean I have just prepared tiffin for my son. So I would make this jackfruit and chapati for me and my husband. Most often he doesn't go to office, he works from home. So I will give him breakfast, and I will take as well, because I am feeling hungry. It has been 1 week. I am following Ha Built yoga classes on YouTube. You might have heard about it. It is a very popular channel for yoga classes. So for 15 minutes I did that. I woke up at 6 o'clock. I got fresh. Then for 15 minutes I did yoga from that YouTube channel, and then directly I headed to the kitchen. I prepared tiffin for my kid. I got him. I woke him up, gave him bath, got him ready, and went to his school to drop him. And now, as soon as I came back, I started taking this video, and now while talking to you, I am chopping this jackfruit in small pieces. My husband, he bought ladyfinger as well, but he came back very late. It was already 9:30, so I could not wash it. And if we like don't wash ladyfinger uh, before cooking, and don't keep it for dry, if it is wet it becomes sticky. So in afternoon, sorry, in morning, I didn't cook lady finger. Instead I cook aloo ki bhujia. He loves potato. He eats potato very happily, so I cooked that one. Let me know in the comments below what your kid like in food. I would love to hear that. And by the time till 12:45 I will try to finish all my chores, and 12:45 I will go pick him up from school. And 1 week back, for 2 days it rained very nicely, so temperature was soothing. Now again it's not raining and it's very hot, so I try to finish all my kitchen chores in the morning as early as I can, because let me show you here in kitchen, and here is the cooktop. So in afternoon after 11 o'clock, directly sunlight comes here, and it is very difficult to stand here and cook anything because it is very hot at that time. So I try to finish all my chores, and by the time he comes back I just be in the hall, and I try to avoid come in the kitchen. Anyhow we have to come, but I try to finish all the cookings, otherwise it gets very difficult because it is very humid and it sweats all day, so it is very uncomfortable to cook at that time. Here is the lemon. I will squeeze it in the water in which I have soaked the jackfruit. Do you also soak jackfruit in lemon to remove its stickiness, or what do you do? How do you cook jackfruit? Let me know in the comments. I would love to read that. And I am from Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, when in summer, when temperature is very high, what do we do? If rice is left over, we soak rice in water for overnight, until morning it gets fermented. Then we add curd, salt, and with onion and fried red chili we eat it. It is very soothing for the stomach. It keeps it cold, and we tell this basi. So do you know about this practice, and what do you do in summer to keep your stomach cool? Let me know in the comments below. And from which state do you belong? I would love to hear from you all. So here I have soaked jackfruit in lemon water. Let me show you. And I have what do I do? All peels of vegetables, I don't throw it. I don't put it in dustbin. And even this tea, leftover tea, I collect it and I put in a plastic drum. I have one plastic drum. Beneath that drum I have made hole, and I put all these vegetable peels, and on top of that I add dry leaves. Here in Noida so many trees are there, so easily I get dry leaves, so I make compost. And after washing the water, from which I wash rice and pulse and vegetables. I don't throw that water. I put that water in plants. I collect it. Here I have uh, made aloo ki bhujia. So I washed potato and I have not thrown this water. So what I will do, I will add this water in plant. So this is my daily practice, that I don't throw all the vegetable and fruit peels. I make compost and I throw this washed water. Instead I put that water into plants. So here it is 11 minutes I am talking to you continuously, so you can do that practice as well at home when you are a beginner. Just narrate your day-to-day activity in present continuous tense. Talking in this manner when you are alone, it will make your brain to articulate your thoughts into this language. And you know, our mouth is a muscle, and speaking in English is like a skill, like other skill, like when we learn how to ride a bicycle, when we learn any new instrument. So we need practice. Without practice it's not possible to um, play any new instrument or ride a bicycle, car or cycle. Similarly, speaking in English, it requires practice. The more you speak, the more fluent you will become. And like if you are cooking, speak to yourself, I am cooking. If you are cleaning house, you try to speak yourself, I am dusting, I am brooming, I am mopping, I am taking bath, I am taking bath. So in this manner you can practice day to day, and at a time pick one tense and try to narrate your activity in that tense. So that's it for today's video. Very soon we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep it simple, practice every day and enjoy your English journey. Thank you for watching.